Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Here iPhone 15 Pro clear case mockup. All files are PSD for Photoshop property 5.47 GB and total 23 files, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sheriskpwd.com and just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay. So here in detail all are PSD. Okay, I open this one in Photoshop. Okay, you see here in layer area, here your image, you can put your image, I know you know, and here logo color, you can change a blue color, logo color. Okay, and here you can put your image, I know you know. Now, and for example, open this one. You see here, and you can customize, put your own image or change color depend on your case design. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love it.